In these videos, we're going to be exploring cognitive dissonance theory, which is one of the many theories of persuasion that we can use to try to better understand how people are persuaded by messages and how we could potentially use theories like cognitive dissonance to better persuade others. And all of this comes from communicationstudies.com. So, what is cognitive dissonance theory? Well, to answer that question, we first have to answer the question of what is cognitive dissonance. Cognitive dissonance can be thought of as thought conflict, and specifically, it refers to the mental discomfort that results when new information that we get clashes with or contradicts with our currently held beliefs, attitudes, or values. So cognitive dissonance theory kicks in whenever we get new information that contradicts something that we already thought that we knew. So if we learned something that was really different from what we knew already, and it kind of made us war with ourselves as to whether or not we should, for example, continue a specific behavior, that would be the result of cognitive dissonance. Let's say, for example, that you're a smoker and you smoke because your friends smoke and it makes you feel cool, and then you get messages from the Center for Disease Control that smoking is detrimental to your health. That will really make you think twice about smoking that next cigarette because it could potentially be detrimental to your health. But you like the feeling of being with your friends and the feeling that smoking gives you. And so that's an example of cognitive dissonance theory. You like smoking, but you know that it's harmful to your health. Ultimately, cognitive dissonance theory states that we want to achieve some kind of emotional equilibrium. We don't like this mental war that could be happening in our brains, and we want to resolve it somehow. And cognitive dissonance theory explores the ways that we go about resolving that thought conflict that might occur when we bring in that new information.